Umchunu somgodle khwapheni upresident uPatrice Motsepe. Patrice Motsepe for president. Umchunu somgodle khwapheni. Deputy president umchunu. President. No. Deputy president uMbalula. Yeah. Ukhetho olulandelayo South Africa yonke. Sicela uPatrice Motsepe for president, uFikile Mbalula for vice president, and then Umchunu, he must be a secret general, SG. I am giving you the direction on how to vote in 2029 election. Vote Patrice Motsepe. He must be a president, that guy. We need him. He have proved himself in the AFCON that he is a true leader. He is ungumholi on a direction. Ungumholi othatha inqumo. Ungumholi owazi ukuthatha inqumo Patrice Motsepe. Ungumholi owazi ukuyimela into hambe yobuka lapha. President isikhuluma nje already he is a president of a very big institution in the continent. Patrice Motsepe is the most respectable man in the continent of Africa in sports. He is the most respectable. He is a president already of the what you call AFCON. Yes, I think. Kade kunalemidlalo yamazwe ase-Africa lapha eMorocco. Upresident walento ebeyidlalelwa laphana uPatrice Motsepe. He is the most respected man in the whole world. Masikhuluma ngamadoda ahlonishwayo eAfrica. Already he is presiding in the presidency position as we speak. If a man can be a president in the continent, in the sports industry, if he's winning there, why do we think angeke azawina ukuba president of one country? uPatrice Motsepe already president wamazwe awu-54 kweze sports, kwezemidlalo. Manje ngicabanga ukuthi angahlulwa eSouth Africa ke yodwa nje. So vote Patrice Motsepe as a president in 2029's election. And then uFikile Mbalula, because uyindoda naye namava, uyindoda ehlakaniphile, although enolimi oluslippery, although enolimi olushelelayo, kodwa lolo limi lolo liyakwazi futhi ukulungisa izinto. Lona lolu limi olu-loosed lukaFikile Mbalula liyakwazi ukuqondisa izinto, liyakwazi ukuqondisa igwegwe. uFikile Mbalula owadelela iBafana Bafana wayithuka wayitshela amasemba, yalunga iBafana Bafana, yabuya iBafana Bafana yaba nesithunzi njengoba namhlanje ihlonishwa nje iBafana Bafana. Ubona ngisho Nigeria, ubona ngisho amazwe aseAfrica respect iBafana Bafana since uMbalula wayitshela amasemba. So ulimi likaMbalula olushelela olu-loosed siyalidinga ulimi likaMbalula. Ukhuluma noma yini noma ingasiphi isikhathi, he is fine like that. We need him. We need Fikile Mbalula. So he must be a vice president after Patrice Motsepe. And then ubuhlakani nesikole oblapha kubaba uSenzo Mchunu, as much as elandelwa ama scandals ngenxa ye propaganda yabelungu nama fractions alapha kwi-ANC, kodwa angeke sikhohlwe ukuthi he is the most wise person in ANC as we speak today. He is the most wise person. Akekho umuntu ohlakaniphe njengobaba uSenzo Mchunu kwi-ANC njoba sikhuluma namhlanje, akekho. So we need him, at least abe SG, Secretary General. Le position ebanjwe uFikile Mbalula manje sicela ukuthi kulolu ukhetho kusuka ufikile Mbalula kungene uSenzo Mchunu, ufikile Mbalula akhuphuke abe uvice president, and then uPatrice Motsepe abe upresident. Singomakhanya sinika idirection, singomakhanya siyanitshela ukuthi nansi into ezosisiza njengamanje, nabu ubuholi obuzosebenzela njengamanje. Hayi le into zenu lezi insambatheka, balungile beama oppositional ku right. Siyabadinga MK baba ma oppositional, siyabadinga EFF baba ma opposition, siyabadinga DA baba ma opposition, siyabadinga oNkatha Freedom Party baba ama opposition, siyabadinga bonke laba abanye. Asibafake emgqomeni kaDodi, kodwa sithi kuyi presidency sidinga 3 first men. Patrice Motsepe number 1, Fikile Mbalula number 2, and then kube uSG uSenzo Mchunu, and then number 4 sengikhohlwa ile position after uSG kube ulobaba lo vice president manje ubani lo deputy president manje ivenda leli ivenda noma ishangathi ishangana ya lo baba lo vice president abo lapha abe ku number 4 makukhulunywa ngelokhuzi, makukhulunywa ngepresidency of South Africa. uPaul Mashatile, yes, I think uPaul Mashatile abe lapha ya kule position elandela uSG, abambe nje iposition yakhe ngokuyimela, angabi uvice, angabi uvice uPaul Mashatile, abambe nje iposition yakhe eyimele. So mina ke I vote for those 4 people. For now nje going forward I will vote for these 4 people ukuthi kube yibo aba ama first candidate mawukhuluma ngeSouth African leadership. Thank you so much. Kade ngiyangidakelwa